Well, this late model wide body Challenger came in and gave me an opportunity to use some of the newest and latest tools that I got from Anson. So I'll post the links in the description below. Now, they don't call them Challengers for nothing. Accessing it is a real pain. Once I removed the wheel and the inner liner, I went to work using the latest and slightly bent 3/8 diameter interchangeable tip. It's called the Tequila Tornillo. The panel has all types of bracing with narrow passages, so using a tool like this was more than ideal for good leverage and access. Now it comes hubbed already, so I can use the Quick Connect Gorilla Grip T-handle, which allows me to place the handle in a perfect position. Next, I added a screw-on tip called the Slide and Glide. It's very forgiving against the body line, which really does allow me to slide and drag against the dent. Now, the light of choice for the repair is a mini HD Chubby that I customized by adding some pinstripes in the middle. You'll see how that works in just a bit. But regardless which reflection I'm using, the light guides me to where to push and where to tap. Simply put, it's my roadmap to see what I'm doing in great detail. Before I start pushing, I'm going to use the latest cap called the Crown Buster and a match grade tip that locks into place with the cap. Now the Crown Buster allows me to tap down the crown, or also known as trapped pressure, without making severe low spots in the panel. Now the cap is real narrow and easy for me to see what I'm doing. It's been my go-to tap down for crown removal. Now be aware, if you use lots of heat, the plastic will become much more slipperier, and watch out for accidentally making high spots. Now when it comes to tapping down, I chose this specific tap down called the Dead-on Dent Ballistic Peewee tip. Now tapping down with a small tip allows really good precision to remove any micro highs and tension around the body line. With these combined tools and lighting, I was able to restore and recreate the body line without causing unwanted push marks and scarring. When I use a cross trainer light like this, I have the advantage to compare detail. Fog offers a better perspective of the center, while the lines offer me more of the specifics like the curvature and the edges. Now don't get it twisted, it's not about which reflection is the best, it's how well you understand each reflection the best. All the tools allow me to have a faster, cleaner, and better repair. Hey, again, thanks for watching. Hope you found this PDR tool review helpful.